Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and I'm back again with another DIY hair growth mask. So yeah, you guys know I already made a video on my channel using onion for my hair, but that was very potent and it leaves a lingering smell. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys another method of using onions on your hair, reaping the benefits without the lingering smell, because that's the issue most of you had. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. There I explained in details the benefits of onion for your hair and all the contents of onion and why it is beneficial for your hair and promoting hair growth and other benefits. So yeah guys, you can go ahead and check that video for all the details about using onion on your hair. In this video, I would just want to focus on this method of showing you guys how you can also incorporate onion into your hair regimen without the excess smell or without too much of the onion smell lingering on your hair. So yeah guys, this is the process. I went ahead, chopped my onions, and then I placed it in my pan and added some water into it. So yeah, I added some water, just enough to infuse the onions, and I'll go ahead and place it on my cooker. So yeah, I'm going to boil this onion. After letting it boil for a while, I'll go ahead and add in my chopped lemongrass into it. So yeah, this is also going to help with the smell. So yeah, I'll just mix it up and then add some more water if need be, and then just let it boil a little bit longer before I take it off the stove or the cooker. So yeah, you just want to make sure it's boiled enough so that you can extract all the juice from both the onion and the lemongrass. I let it cool down a bit before I proceed to straining it. So yeah, when it's cool, I just go ahead and strain out the juice. So now my onion juice is ready, and I'll go ahead and pour it into my spray bottle. I'm going to use this as a daily moisturizing spritz. So yeah, you can apply this on your hair daily. So yeah, this is not very potent as the other method, so you can apply this daily on your hair, maybe in the evening, and then you seal it in with an oil or butter or whatever you use. So yeah, I promise the smell is not as strong as using the other method. So this is another way you can incorporate onion juice into your hair routine and reap all the benefits. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to apply this to my scalp in particular and make sure I massage it. I'll apply it as well to the length of my hair, but I just want to focus on my scalp because that's where the hair grows from. An onion helps to stimulate the scalp. So yeah, and that helps to promote hair growth. So that's what I'll just do. I'll focus applying it on my scalp, then I'll massage it in. So you want to do this daily if you like, or every other day, it's up to you, but do not leave this for more than 5 days in the refrigerator. So yeah, because somebody wrote to me complaining that their DIY got bad, they left it for a month. Don't do that, please. 5 days. This does not have any preservative, so you don't want to keep using something that is bad on your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.